Hello everybody, I hope you all are doing great. So welcome to my another English lesson in GK by Ikbal. So basically I am situated right here in my hometown, in my village. So I'm just trying to just share my some kind of feelings right at the moment. So if I say about this place, basically this is specifically situated near Silet Sodor Upazila. I mean under Silet Sodor Upazila is controlled by, and you are just hearing little bit sound from the sky. Basically there are several flights just going here and there, I mean land and take off as well. Osman International Airport, you know already, the one and only international airport. So you can see there are in my left side there is a river which is called Sharigoan River. I mean the part of Shari River, Goin River. I hope you are comprehend about this. Today's temperature is gonna much more higher. It is not affordable and not just bearable actually. And I think it is for this weather, we all kind of people responsible for this. But anyway, because of day to day, we are just cutting trees, deforestation. There are several topics, several jobs we have done. So that's why I think it is happen actually. And on the other hand, this I just passing lot of path, but here is no any trees. So that's why if I say about the temperature, it will be probably 36 to 38 between the temperature. And the thing is, although the feels like temperature will be much higher, so anyway I'm just walking around and try to just memorize my childhood. We are friends who are passing our memories, our childhood period of time in this area. So there are several just memories I'm just recall in my brain right here. And there are several land, guys, and we own some kind of land over in the right side. But anyway, I'm just walking around and I'm passing the pathway which is a little narrow, and the right and left side I am passing several type of grass which is very good. As you can see in front of me, there are several activities generally we have seen in the village area. So basically some kind of goat, they are busy about eating, and on the other hand little right side you can see there is a fisherman just busy about his job. He's actually just throwing the water and just try to catch some fishes. And if I going to see you guys about on top of my head the sky's condition, you are seeing that the sky condition is very bright, I mean so much clear, and there are seeing over there a lot of clouds. Although the maximum clouds are white, some kind of cloud are black as well, which indicates that very soon it will be raining. And the place where I am located and standing right here, and the nearest place is actually India. I mean this place is almost border side if I compare. So that's why actually you are seeing on far away there is little mountain, I mean blue mountain. Although mountain doesn't be generally blue, it will be green. It generally be green, but for far distance that's why it looks some kind of blue colors. And there I'm not sure that you are seeing or not, there is an aircraft just passing and try to landing. And I already mentioned that there is situated in airport which is called Usman International Airport, and that's why I think we are capable to see a lot of airplane who are passing over here. So I think everybody, that is enough for today, and we are going to just record next video on the next day, and also I will upload in my YouTube channel. I think this kind of videos just gonna helpful, first of all for me, and also you are those people just watching me on my YouTube channel. That's why you are also going to get some facilities, because actually how you are going to get facilities, because of who are just trying to get some preparation in English, about English basically. And I know that our my mother tongue is Bengali, so that we definitely made so much mistakes. But one day we will just capable to recover this kind of problem if I practice every single day. And this is a good opportunity that every single day I must to upload videos. That's why I must to talk with you guys in English. So that's why I also improve in this genre. So hopefully see you in the next video. Till then, you are will be good